Are we the first?
The last.
At the last, okay.
Thank you.
Hi.
Oh, welcome to Ho Chi Minh City. Okay. So first, my name would be Vinny. After right, there's the right thing or the wrong thing. There's the right thing.
You know, next product is quite common.
Claustrophobia, asthma, heart symptom, or bad knees. Don't go because the biggest part is about this.
Oraya geleceksin değil mi?
Yeah.
But it's big enough.
Hepsini vereyim.
We don't make traffic jam.
Where are you?
Saan siya na? Are we near an exit?
So this one is tapioca. Ito, yung pagkain ng mga soldiers during Vietnam War. Ito yung breakfast, lunch, at saka dinner nila. So no wonder malnourished yung mga soldiers during Vietnam War. Day 2 of our Ho Chi Minh adventure, and the first stop is here in Chuchit Tunnels. Sorry for my background noise since few meters away from me is the shooting range. So one fact lang, at least 40,000 men and women died during Vietnam War protecting these Chuchit Tunnels. We tried yung mga tunnels nila, yung mga booby traps, and we saw some remnants during the war. And nag-try ko pumasok sa isang tunnel pero hindi maganda pagkakababa ko. Kaya nasugat ako. I have some abrasions here. Pero sugat lang kasi not everyone can fit inside the tunnel. Parang ako lang yung sa tour ang kayang pumasok nito. And by the way, we booked this tour sa may Klook at Stig. That's around 2,000 pesos each, including yung mga whole day tour namin from Chuchit Tunnel, lunch, snacks, and going to our next stop doon sa Mekong Delta River. Tasted it?
You wanna try?
No, no. How about you? Have you tasted it?
Yeah.
It may seem like
Push it down.
you're under some
There's a
kind
blade
of
down.
spell. You're walking on sunshine,
But it's yummy.
extra well. You're all smiles, happy as you can be. Feels like a dream, but can't you see that it's just me? It's just me.
Like natural sauce of sweet.
Yeah,
You know,
it's just me.
peanut, banana, and ginger, but like because a lot of ginger, really good to like warm yourself up, like early morning.
You probably feel like you've been blessed by the gods above.
That's the end of our trip, and we're going back to Saigon for another 2 hours ride.
Just like a child with a brand new toy. It's so unreal that you can't see that it's just me.